Method 1. Add from device list. Enable the device's Wi-Fi, open the settings menu on the binoculars and turn on Wi-Fi. A QR code will be displayed on the screen. Open the app, launch the MatataXplore Optics app, tap the Observe tab at the bottom, then tap the plus button. Grant location permission. When using the app for the first time, grant location permission. Tap Allow to continue. Select the device. From the device list, select Solvia 8x32, then tap Connect. Connect to the device. Android. If only one device is detected, it will be displayed automatically. If multiple devices are found, select the correct one. Tap Connect to proceed to the password entry screen. iOS. A password entry dialog will appear directly. Enter the password manually or scan the QR code to identify the device. After verification, a device connection prompt will appear. Enter the password or scan the QR code. Enter the Wi-Fi password manually, or tap Scan QR code to scan the QR code displayed on the binoculars. Confirm the connection. A connection confirmation dialog will appear in the app. Tap Connect. Once the connection is established successfully, the app will automatically enter the device interface. Approve the connection on the binoculars. A prompt reading MatataXplore Optics app request connection will appear on the binocular screen. Tap Allow to approve the connection. This confirmation is only required the first time you connect. Method 2. Scan and connect. Open the QR code scanner, launch the MatataXplore Optics app, go to the Observe page, and tap the Scan QR code icon in the top left corner. Scan the QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the binoculars. Once the QR code is recognized, the app will automatically display a connection confirmation dialog. Confirm the connection. Tap Connect. Once the connection is established successfully, the app will automatically enter the device interface. Approve the connection on the binoculars. A prompt reading MatataXplore Optics app request connection will appear on the binocular screen. Tap Allow to approve the connection. This confirmation is only required the first time you connect.